I was born on July 5th, 1996, and my bone marrow transplant was on July 25th, 1997. MPS stands for mucopolysaccharidosis. I wasn't diagnosed for 9 months, and this was because I was missing a single enzyme, and without that I wouldn't be here. And luckily, the perfect donor was right in my backyard. It was my 6-year-old sister, Jenna. The way that my disease has impacted me is this is the farthest that anyone with my disease has gone in school. So it's just always, I feel like it's always been like a task that I needed to achieve. That, okay, I know I'm smart enough and I need to graduate because I'm doing this for everybody that wasn't able to do that. I feel fantastic. I can't even believe that it's real. I'm very, very excited. I'm very, very proud of myself. To sum up my SNHU experience, I would say incredible. I felt really included on campus. Out of all my schooling that I've had, I felt this is the place where it's been the most inclusion. Like, I haven't always been accepted or valued, and it's just ever since I walked through the doors of SNHU, I just always felt accepted and valued. Because I've been involved with some clubs on campus, CAPE, which is in charge of all of our activities, and I've been in charge with the Student Government Association, which have both been awesome clubs to be a part of. I'm hoping my degree will involve me doing motivational speaking, which has always been my goal ever since I can remember, and I've always been fascinated with film, so I want to try to do some reviewing professionally, or something else that has to do with film. To be an SNHU alumni, it means to just spread the word and just let everybody know that SNHU is the best college that you could possibly go to.